Admin panel helps set up iReports, DFF, and environments URLs in the Simplified Loader template. To use the admin panel, open the Simplified Loader template and select the Admin panel option from the Simplified Loader toolbar. By default, the admin panel is password protected. The default password is admin, in lowercase. Enter the default password in the current password field and click the Unlock Template button. You will receive a message saying that the template is unlocked. Upon acknowledging the message, the admin panel will automatically close. Click on the admin panel option again from the Simplified Loader toolbar. You will see all options in the admin panel available to the user to update. After using the admin panel, close the Excel file. Whenever the admin panel has been unlocked, closing the Excel file will display a message saying, "To ensure template lock, click on the Save button in the next pop-up message." Acknowledge this message and click on the Save button to save the Excel template.